present simple tense. Animals always, всегда, go to school. They usually, обычно, read every lesson.
I always
Всегда.
drink honey and eat strawberries.
Attention! Если ты говоришь об одном человеке или животном, то к глаголу необходимо прибавить окончание «s». He always drinks honey. She never eats bees. It usually sleeps every day. How to make a question? Ты используешь вспомогательный глагол do в вопросе, когда обращаешься к we, you, they, I. Ты используешь вспомогательный глагол does в вопросе, когда обращаешься к he, she, it. Does your friend go to the theater? Does the bear drink honey? Does Philip like to visit cafes? Do you have a brother? Do they play drums? Do we go to the hospital? Does your uncle work in the garage? No, he doesn't. Does Mary go to the station every day? Yes, she does. Does Nick visit theater every Saturday? No, he doesn't. Do you have a phone? Yes, I do. Do they like music? No, they don't. Do we go to the baker's? Yes, we do. I like. You like. We like. They like. She likes. He likes. Bear likes. Rabbit likes.